So hello everyone, and this is the stable multivibrator board using IC 555. The device other than the board which will be required for us, that is we are having 2 channel CRO and plus minus 505 supply. So let us connect first this board to power supply. This pin number VCC will be connected to the positive. The ground of the board will be connected to the common. Remember, we are using plus 5 and 0 volt over here, so don't give plus 5 minus 5. This is the minus 5 one, this is plus 5, this is common, so we have to connect the common. Common has been connected to the circuit. The positive is been given to plus 5 volt. Now let us connect, as we know and we have studied in the theory, that the value of R and C is responsible for the generation of the square wave. So let us select one of the RB value. Let us say first of it. There are 2 R available over here, you can choose any one of it. Let us connect C over here. C is been connected, so this is done for the supply and the combination of resistor and capacitors. Now we have to connect the output. This is the output of a stable multivibrator which has to be connected to CRO. So let me connect a plug over here, and this is the pin, this is the probe of CRO, so that will be connected to the probe of the positive is connected to output, and this is the ground of CRO that will be connected. The ground we have to provide it from here. The ground will be connected like this. So CRO is been connected, positive and ground both are been connected over here. This is the positive given to CRO and this is the ground given to CRO. As we can see, these 2 connections, this is the one, this is the second one. Now you can see nothing is there in CRO because the power supply is off. Now let us make it on. The moment I make it on, you can see the waveform. You can see the waveforms in CRO. Now we have to set the CRO in order to measure the time period for our further calculation. Yes, this is out of visibility, we cannot calculate using this waveform, so make it large enough and make the time scale appropriate so that you can measure the T. So this is the waveform which you are getting. Now let us change the RC combination. Let us take another C, another value of C. For that we are getting a bit good waveform. This is the quality of waveform, and we can see the period is there, frequency is also there, 1.46 kilohertz. As the period is there 682 microseconds, you have to find out the period. The frequency is also given. This is the observed value. You have to find out the calculated value from the formula given to you in the observation table. Now let us change the value of C another. Again, after changing, the frequency has been changed. It is changed to 3 kilohertz. So as we will change the combination of R and C, there will be the change in the frequency of a square wave at the output. Again let us change the C to third value, and you can see the frequency has doubled. The frequency has doubled, the square wave has been more highly frequent, frequency has been raised to 6.71, the frequency has been increased. So this is how we can perform the practical of A-stable multivibrator using 555 IC by changing the value of R and C. As this is demo is been shown on the ready-made board. This is the ready-made board. The same practical has to be done on the breadboard, as you are aware that some of the practicals you have done on breadboard in semester 2 and semester 1. So whenever the time permits, you have to perform this on breadboard.